Okay,
All right.
here we go.
So we're going to be going over the updates to the desktop. Here, what we have on the screen is the old or previous version, which is the release candidate 2. Some of the differences that you'll be able to see are the buttons down there will be no longer there,
Okay.
and it'll be a little bit cleaner. So let's go ahead and close that out.
All right.
And then we're going to open this back up. And if you have the auto update enabled, there'll be a pop-up asking you to update to the newest version.
There it is. So we want to download that.
Let's go ahead and download now. Go through that. There's
The
the
process
process, and it's downloaded. So we're going to install it. And then there'll be a dialog box. Once that's installed, we now have the newest version.
Oh wow, that's shiny. Look at this scroll bar. Very nice.
So we've updated the scroll bars to be a little bit more efficient. That not only the bottom but also the column scroll bars. One of the things that you'll also be looking at is that there's no buttons in the bottom anymore.
Okay.
No clear or no users. What we're going through is at the top bar, which is now black or darkened, we have the buttons.
Yep.
The first one is the refresh timeline, to refresh it. Clear timeline, so even though it's a trash bin, you're not removing the column, but you're clearing the timeline.
Okay.
The X is removing the search. It's not closing it out, but it's actually removing it. Once you click on that button, and there's no warning, so once you click on that button, you'll actually remove the search. The search for Ask Seesmic is gone. And then we have the close button, where you can close or detach it back in, and to bring it back out you use the first pane to detach. Right. The other thing also is if you click on a user list, let's go ahead and do that. And if you want, we can detach that. There you go.
Detach a user list. All right.
And the different button for the network user list is the list of users. So if you hover over that, there should be a tooltip there.
Up here.
And it'll say edit list settings, and we have sort of a newer version of the user list, and it's still taking some time to load. And then from there we have the different buttons to either delete the whole list or to save it. And those are the changes for this version, or at least the basic changes here.
Great.
So hope everyone enjoys.
I will.